Hi, Amy Porterfield here, and I thought you might find it valuable if I took some time and walked you through some of the customization and optimization you can do for your Facebook fan page. I've noticed that a lot of fan pages don't really optimize the bells and whistles that are available, and I thought if I showed you some of the pages I'm working on now, it might spark some interest and some ideas that you have, either for the fan page you already have, or maybe you're thinking about creating one. So I thought we could just dive in and I'll show you some examples. So here we go. So the first page I want to show you is found at facebook.com/AmyKIncFans. Now this is a fantastic page. It has a lot of bells and whistles that we incorporated. The first one I want to show you is her profile photo. So not only did she incorporate a great photo of herself here, but we created a logo underneath it. So this right here is all one big image that we were able to load. Now you can only load one image right in this space, so you have to create it with the graphics as well as the photo. So that's one thing. In addition to that, we created on her wall tab an opt-in box for her free ebook. So all of her fans can give their name and email to receive a free ebook. Now this is something that you really want to take advantage of. If you use Aweber or Constant Contact, you can create this opt-in box to collect names. This is something that I think a lot of people are missing on their fan pages, and it's a great opportunity. So in addition to that, we created links back to Amy K's website. So here you can go to her website, you can go to her blog, speakers and training, executive coaching, and her YouTube channel. So all of these links are live that will take you to different areas on her website or her YouTube channel. Great opportunities to drive people back to your website. Now everything I'm going to be showing you on all the pages that I've been working on, I used the app Static FBML. It's an app you can find right in Facebook, and basically it's like using HTML within Facebook. So it's Static FBML. Now a lot of people aren't techie and don't want to do this themselves, but I can promise you this: you can have this done for you for a very inexpensive price if you kind of go about it in the right way. So I could show you some tricks to do so. But in addition, just make sure that you want to use somebody that's familiar with working within Facebook. So the next one I'm going to show you is Social Media Examiner. Now I'm biased to this page because I contribute to it, but I think Mike Stelzner, who created socialmediaexaminer.com, he did great things with his fan page, and we were able to work out a lot of the bells and whistles that you're not going to see on a lot of pages. One being his welcome tab. Notice here we're on the welcome tab. If you're not a fan yet and you land on facebook.com/smexaminer, you're going to land on this tab. What's really cool about it is that not only does he have a video, but he also has his opt-in box right here on the main welcome tab. So you can play a video.
Hi there, Mike Stelzner from Social Media Examiner.
Right on the welcome tab, so people can get to know Mike a little bit more before they even become a fan. And right here, very important, we created a call to action that said click the button to become a fan. Now I'm already a fan, but if I wasn't, you would see something that says become a fan. So in addition to that, another thing we did that I think is just brilliant for this page is we have a team of people that are contributing to it daily. So it's not just Mike or it's not just me. So basically what we did is we created a page that said, hey, this is a team effort. We have a unique way of going about contributing to this page. So let me introduce you to the people that are contributing. So we have our pictures and our quick bios here. And this way people can get to know who they're talking to. What's really cool about this is when you go to the Wall tab, you will notice that when someone contributes on the Social Media Examiner team, they actually use their name. So one example of this is right here. Cindy, who's on our Social Media Examiner team, she posted something and then she just signs out with -Cindy. So people know who's talking. Or here's one I did, -Amy. So this is something I don't see on a lot of fan pages, and it's extremely smart and something you might want to consider if you have a team that's contributing. In addition, Mike also has his opt-in box right here and his links back to different landing pages on his website. Really cool customization here. So he's always driving people back to his hub site, which is socialmediaexaminer.com. So those are some things you can do as well, and he has his profile image right here. So there's a few examples there. I also want to show you something that Anthony Robbins is another page I contribute to, and this is an extremely successful page. It has over 42,000 fans, and it just came up in December. So pretty impressive, and that's part of the magic of Tony Robbins, of course. But in addition to that, we did some really cool things with this page. One being, Tony has an event called Unleash the Power Within, and we created a tab just to promote this event. So there's a video also. I'll show it for a quick second. Right within the tab, we created a video. So not only did we do a video, but we also said when the event is, what's going on, a little bit about it, and then we just said invest now, and you can go right to the website landing page where you can enroll in the event. And then we did something cool where basically each step of the event, we tell you a little bit about it. So right within Facebook, we are promoting an event, and people want to know more about it. People want to know what you're up to. So whether you're creating a product or an event or a service, you can make a tab that is specifically about that component. So I think that's a really cool option. Another page that I've worked on is T. Harv Eker. And Harv Eker's page is really unique in the sense that he has an opt-in right on his welcome tab. Here we are on the welcome tab, just like I showed you with SM Examiner. But what is really cool about this, and I'm going to show you how it works, is when you enter your name and your email, and let's see here, country USA, and 927. So once you do this, watch what happens. He's saying, you know, enter for my email series right on his welcome tab. Once you do that, this tab is actually going to change. Look at that. So now he says, hi, T. Harv Eker here. Now that you are enrolled in my new email series, I also want to invite you to become a fan. So he's calling a call to action right here. His welcome tab just completely changed, and I think that is really cool tactic and something smart to do because he's not only collecting names, but now he's saying, hey, become a fan. And I know personally that this has been extremely successful for this page, so it's something to consider as well. Now the last page I'm going to show you is Inside Elder Care. Now Ryan Malone's an author, and I know there's a lot of authors and speakers out there. So one thing we did for his page is we actually created a tab for his book. So we called the tab The Book, and if you scroll down here, it tells you about the book. It has a great image of the book. But in addition, this is something really cool. You can buy the book by clicking one of these links right from his fan page. So think about it. Whether you're an author or a speaker or maybe you're selling a product, you can create tabs that take you right to a shopping cart, let's say within Amazon if you're selling a book. So you can do that right within Facebook. So there you have it. There's a few ways to optimize, customize, and monetize your Facebook fan page. So hopefully you found some of those strategies valuable. If you have any questions along the way, don't hesitate to send me an email. I'm at amy@amyporterfield.com, or you can find me at amyporterfield.com as well. I hope to talk to you soon, and take care.
I have your attention, as I mentioned, these insolent engines.